Stop scrolling, you've never seen this before. A young guava cutting planted directly into a fresh apple, and yes, it actually works. At first, it looks impossible, but the apple's moisture and nutrients keep the guava stem alive. Day by day, tiny roots begin to break through the soft apple flesh. Soon, bright green leaves appear, proving this unusual method is surprisingly effective. A guava tree growing from an apple. Nature is full of surprises. So tell me, what plant experiment should we try next? Imagine this, from a tiny seed, a tree that can live for centuries begins its journey, right inside a small pot in your home. This is the growth of a stone pine, a tree known for its strength and longevity, when planted in a simple pot of soil. In the first few days, the seed slowly splits open, sending a delicate root deep into the soil. Then, a small green sprout breaks through the surface, like a baby tree waking up for the very first time. After a week, thin needle-like leaves start to appear, sharp and iconic, just like a full-grown pine but in miniature form. The stem begins to stretch a little each day, staying sturdy even though it's still tiny. And as the weeks pass, the stone pine slowly forms the silhouette of a mighty tree, only in pocket size for now. Its growth may be slow, but every day brings a beautiful new change. If you were growing a stone pine, which part of its development would amaze you the most? Tell me in the comments. Have you ever seen chili peppers grown inside an egg? This unique method instantly grabs attention. Watch closely. A big chili pepper is placed inside an eggshell, then planted into rich soil. The eggshell works like a natural mini pot packed with nutrients. Day by day, the seeds start to sprout, roots break through the shell, and a tiny green shoot appears. With a boost of liquid fertilizer, the plant grows even faster, its leaves widen, the stem strengthens, and soon it becomes a healthy, productive chili plant. Simple method, powerful results. Do you think this eggshell planting technique could become a new gardening trend? Share your thoughts in the comments. Have you ever imagined what happens when an eggplant is split in half, mixed with red grapes, and planted in soil? Watch closely, the result is shocking. We start with a fresh eggplant, sliced cleanly into two. Inside, we add a handful of juicy red grapes, letting their natural sweetness blend together. Then the mixture is planted gently into moist soil. Day by day, something unexpected begins to happen. Tiny roots appear faster than usual, the stem grows stronger, and the leaves look brighter, almost as if the grapes are giving the plant a natural boost. As time goes on, the growth becomes truly impressive, healthier, greener, and surprisingly vigorous, turning this strange experiment into something amazing to watch. What experiment should we try next? Drop your ideas in the comments.
Did you know you can grow a new banana plant without using seeds? Many gardeners actually propagate bananas using natural boosters like eggs and aloe venting holes. Then, a raw egg is cracked right into the soil. Eggs are rich in calcium and nutrients, and as they break down, they provide natural fertilizer that helps young plants grow stronger. In the video, you can see the bright yellow egg mixture poured into the sand, ready to feed the new banana cutting. Next, the banana piece is placed upright into the sand. But there's one more special ingredient, aloe vera. Aloe is known for its natural rooting hormones. Rubbing the base of the banana with aloe, or placing aloe in the planting hole, helps the cutting develop roots faster and protects it from rotting. With the egg feeding the soil and the aloe boosting root growth, the banana cutting gets everything it needs to start growing. Keep the soil lightly moist and give it a little time. Soon, new roots form. Look at this result, amazing!
Let me show you one of the craziest tricks you've probably never seen before. Take an egg and break it into a pot. Then grab a fresh milk apple, make a small cut on the top, and apply any toothpaste. I'm using Colgate. Now place the milk apple into the pot, water it well, and cover it with a basket for the next 18 days. After 18 days, remove it from the pot, wash the roots gently, and plant it in the ground. For watering, use any bottled drink like Pepsi as water, but only for one day. Then wait around 285 days and watch the magic happen.
Let's try to cut this orange and the result is amazing. It tastes sweet and has lots of juice. Believe it or not, with just toothpaste and a single egg, an ordinary guava branch can turn into a fast-growing new plant. Here's how it works. First, choose a healthy guava branch and cut it cleanly just like in the video. Apply a small amount of toothpaste on the freshly cut end. This helps protect the stem from fungus and keeps it clean during the early rooting process. Next, prepare an eggshell filled with fine soil. Place the guava cutting inside it, then add more soil until the stem stands firmly. The eggshell slowly breaks down over time, releasing natural calcium that strengthens young roots. After a few weeks, tiny buds begin to appear. New leaves open, and the roots push through the eggshell, just like in your video clip. At this stage, the guava cutting is strong enough to move into a bigger pot. What plant should we try next with this unique method? Let me know in the comments.
If you want to grow plants faster and stronger using natural methods, this creative gardening trick with an orange and an egg will amaze you. Start by preparing a small black pot filled with nutrient-rich soil. Crack one fresh egg and pour its contents right into the hole. Take a whole orange and place it directly over the egg mixture. The orange provides natural acids, vitamins, and organic sugars. Cover everything lightly with soil and water, just enough to keep it moist. Over the next few weeks, the egg will decompose, releasing valuable nutrients, while the orange's enzymes enhance root activity, making the soil richer and more fertile. Look at this result. Amazing. Did you know you can grow a healthy avocado tree using just soaked rice water? This is one of the most unique and natural propagation techniques you'll ever try. First, collect a few fresh avocado branches. Make sure they're healthy and about the thickness of a pencil. Cut them cleanly and remove any extra leaves. Next, take a cup of rice and soak it in water for about 30 minutes. Rice water is rich in amino acids, vitamins, and minerals that help boost root development and overall plant strength. Now pour the rice water into a clear plastic cup. Then cover it with a lid and make small holes to insert the avocado cuttings. The cuttings should stay just above the water line, allowing the lower ends to absorb the nutrients gradually. Keep the setup in a bright but shaded area, not under direct sunlight. In about 2 to 3 weeks, you'll start seeing tiny white roots forming at the base. This simple and organic method gives your avocado cuttings the perfect environment to grow faster and stronger. Try this rice water trick today, nature's secret for powerful root growth. Look at this result. Amazing.